Welcome to Global TechFix, your guide to smarter tech. Here, we simplify complex workflows and solve everyday PC challenges with clear, step-by-step tutorials. Subscribe now and let's fix tech together, one solution at a time. Now let's add your signature image to the document. Go to Insert, then choose Pictures and select this device. Browse and find your signature image, then click Open. Once the image is inserted, select it and use Crop to trim it as needed. Resize the image to fit your document requirements. Open Layout options and choose in front of text so you can freely move the signature. Right-click on the image and select Format Picture. On the right side, click the image icon.